Case title People of the Philippines versus Ida Montesclaros Tampus, GR number 111084, July 9th, 2008. Doctrine. A mitigating circumstance of mental illness may be considered when the accused suffering from schizophrenia or other mental disorders is not fully deprived of consciousness or intelligence at the time of the commission of the crime. However, for an exempting circumstance to apply, the mental illness must render the person completely incapable of knowing the nature of the act. Facts. Ida Montesclaros Tampus was accused of killing her 1-year-old daughter, Clarice Tampus, by drowning her in a pail of water. Ida had been previously diagnosed with schizophrenia, a mental disorder, and was under treatment. On the day of the incident, Ida, after putting her child to sleep, later immersed the child in water, leading to the child's death by drowning. During the trial, Ida claimed that her mental condition rendered her incapable of controlling her actions and understanding the consequences. The defense argued that Ida's schizophrenia should be considered as an exempting circumstance under Article 12, Paragraph 1 of the Revised Penal Code, which exempts a person from criminal liability if they are completely deprived of intelligence during the commission of the crime due to mental illness. Issue 1. Whether schizophrenia could be considered an exempting circumstance, absolving Ida of criminal liability. 2. Whether the presence of schizophrenia should mitigate Ida's criminal liability. The Supreme Court ruled that while Ida Montesclaros Tampus was suffering from schizophrenia, it was not proven that she was completely deprived of intelligence or awareness of her actions at the time of the crime. The court found that while her mental condition impaired her judgment, it did not entirely remove her consciousness or ability to understand the nature of her act. Therefore, schizophrenia was considered a mitigating circumstance, reducing her sentence but not absolving her from criminal liability. The court affirmed that for an exempting circumstance to apply, the mental illness must fully impair the ability to know and understand the nature of the wrongful act. Disposition wherefore, the decision of the trial court convicting Ida Montesclaros Tampus affirmed with the modification that her sentence is reduced. She is sentenced to an indeterminate penalty of 6 years and 1 day of prison mayor as minimum to 14 years, 8 months, and 1 day of reclusion temporal as maximum. She is also ordered to pay civil indemnity of 50,000 francs, moral damages of 50,000, and exemplary damages of 25,000.